So if your car's headlights are dimming while you're driving, well, there are a few things here that you need to do. So first is we need to understand the cause here. So most of the time when one headlight looks dim while the other is bright, the issue is a bad ground connection. Now the ground wire is what completes the circuit. Now if it's weak or corroded, the light won't get enough power. So, first things that you want to do is you want to locate the wiring harness. Now go to the back of your headlight and you'll see harness with three circuits, one for high beam, one for low beam, and one for ground. Now the black wire is usually the ground. Now if you have a multimeter or a power probe, use it to check voltage on each wire. Now you'll notice one side may show weak readings or flicker. This confirms the ground is the problem here. Now, with the power probe here, you can directly send ground to that wire. Now, if the headlight suddenly brightens, that proves the ground connection is faulty. Now, you just need to follow the ground wire from the headlight harness. If it's old or corroded, you'll need to rewire it. So the easiest fix is to run a fresh ground wire from the headlight directly to the chassis. Now, make sure the new ground is firmly bolted to a clean metal surface on the chassis. Now, this ensures solid contact and restores full brightness. And once fixed, cover the wire with loom or protective tubing to prevent future wear. Your headlights should now shine evenly and brightly. And that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.